Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? One night stand. One night stand. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Good morning, players. Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our show. If you were watching yesterday, you will recall that we sent away a very happy young lady. She won a brand new car and about $21,000 in prizes. And as a result, we are welcoming two newcomers today, so let me introduce them. I'll start with the pretty young lady on my right. Her name is Candace Mago.
Thank you, Alex.
Hi, Candace.
Right.
I did?
Yes, you did.
Do most people make a mistake and mispronounce your name?
I get a lot of Magos, but I'm married to Mago, so that's what I am.
All right, and where is Candy Mago from?
I'm originally from Santa Barbara, California, and...
Pretty part of the state.
Pretty
nice
place. I was there till I was 2, so I don't remember a whole lot about it. We live in La Habra now with our 2 little girls.
How old are they?
2 and 4.
Oh, sweet. What are their names?
Ashley Elizabeth and Amanda Suzanne.
Ashley
Hi,
Elizabeth
kids.
and Amanda Suzanne.
Yeah.
We had a contestant just the other day who had a daughter named Ashley.
And yesterday you had a Suzanne. So there you go.
See, there you go. All right, that may be a good omen for you in your game against Peter Spongberg.
Spongberg, right.
Hiya, Peter.
How you doing?
I'm all right. Now, you've got to tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm from originally from Berkeley, California. I live in Whittier now. I'm retired from the Navy, 20 years in that job, and I'm just kind of goof around now.
Yeah, how do you goof around? What do you...
Well, I go to the racetrack and...
well, that's gambling, isn't it?
Well, it's a gambling proposition, yes. More losing than winning, I'm afraid.
Oh, well, then the way you wager is takes the gambling aspect out of it completely. You continually lose?
Not continually, no. I wouldn't go if I was continually losing.
Oh.
I try to make up for it on the show, though.
Oh, all right.
Win some prizes.
Then we will waste no time talking about prizes. We will show you one of the prizes. Let's take a look.
A custom oil portrait of yourself or loved one by the renowned portrait artist Frank Torillo. This masterful creation will remain a family treasure forever, furnished by the Torillo Studios. Alex.
What was that? Bring back the picture. By popular demand, we are bringing back the picture for the rest of this half hour. This painting will host the program. Candace and Peter, take a look on the board. We will show you where you can find my ugly face. Number 1, easy to remember, oil portrait. Yes, I'm number 1 in the hearts of contestants everywhere. 5 bonus car seconds in this game and a holiday in Waikiki.
All right.
Peter, a retired man, would enjoy that, I'm sure.
I've been there, but I'd love to go back. Try number 13 in the center, please.
13 in the center, he says, and gets designer dresses.
I don't really need those, but I'll try number 9, please.
Chef's barbecue tools. No match. Candace.
I'd love to get back to Hawaii. That's where we had our honeymoon. Let's look for that under number 5.
Diamond and gold brooch.
Well, that'll do. How about number 12 for the match?
No, there's a stereo. Peter, back to you.
Let's go down to the corner, number 21, please.
Chef's barbecue tools.
And do we see that at number 9?
I think so. And you are correct for the first match of this game. And we will show you these 2 pieces of the puzzle. Aha. One of them was helpful. Go again.
Try the other corner, number 25.
Waikiki.
Waikiki. I'd love to go to Waikiki. How about a wild card, number 11?
No match there. Did you put in some time in Waikiki at Pearl when you were in the Navy?
I passed through there about 14 times, but never longer than a few days. So.
All right. Yeah, but that's long enough. You can have a good time. Candace, back to you.
Oh, okay. Let's take a look for Hawaii under number 12.
Stereo.
Oh, I think I've already done that one. Okay, let's look for the match for that stereo under number 23.
Take green one. No match. Peter.
Well, the green take or Waikiki, number 10, please.
Stereo.
Stereo. We just saw that at number 12?
Yes.
All right.
There you go. All right. Open it up for him.
No guess.
No guess. Adds to the confusion almost. Select again.
Number 22, please.
Wild card. Where's he going now, folks?
Well, I'm going to take my wife to Waikiki, I believe. Number 25.
25 is good for Waikiki. The other Waikiki, which would have given you a natural match, is at number 16. 3 boxes in the lower part of the puzzle.
Oh, boy. No guess.
Looks like the puzzle is not in the lower part. Select again.
Number 15, please.
Red take.
Do we see a red take at number 23?
No, that's a green take. Candace?
Okay, let's try to find the match to those red or green takes under number 3.
Gas barbecue.
Gas barbecue. Okay. Number 13 for the match?
No, the designer dresses are there. Peter?
Like some insurance, I'd like to match up at take number 2, please.
Wild card.
I'll go for the take under number 20.
Number 20 for the take? No, we have a gas barbecue there. The other one is on the top line, of course, at number 3. So 3 more doors are opening for you, Peter Spongberg. Select again.
Number 18.
5 bonus cards.
5 bonus. We haven't seen that one. Haven't seen that one. Number 14, please.
Baker's Rack. Candace, can you get yourself geared up again? I know that Peter's been running
thinking about
nicely
that
for a
puzzle,
while.
but...
Yeah, well, that's all right. Now you've got a chance. Make a match.
Let's open the board under number 6, please.
Designer
dresses. Number 13 for
That's
the
right.
match? All
Designer
right.
dresses. Finally, you get a prize, Candace.
Okay.
That
Now
should
we're on
change
the
your
board.
whole attitude. Let's
Yes,
see
it
what
does.
happens. Open it up.
Okay.
Go again.
Let's take a look at number 11, please.
Baker's Rack. We have one more wild card up there.
We've seen that. Let's take a look at number 15, please.
Red take. Peter.
I think the Baker's Rack was number 14, Alex.
Yep.
And number 11 for the match.
There it is. A little bit more of this puzzle visible for you, Peter. For you to solve. Go again.
I just got it. Number 17, please.
Diamond and
gold brooch. Did we see that under number 4?
I think so. But I'm wrong also. We have an oil portrait there. Candace.
Okay, how about number 5, please? And
There
the
it
match
is.
under number 17.
Peter and I made the same mistake. Only it didn't cost me, it cost him. And now Candace gets a chance to look at the puzzle
look
with
at
2
the
more doors
puzzle.
opening up. Select again, Candace. Still one
Okay.
wild card up there.
Let's take a look at number 19.
There's the wild card. So
Okay,
no bad news for you on this selection.
I'm going fishing. How about number 4?
Number 4. Well, that's
I'll
the
take
oil
it.
portrait.
And the natural
Mine.
match is under number 1.
It is indeed.
Okay.
3 doors
Got it.
opening for Candace Mago.
Is it Bunko Squad?
Bunko Squad, she says. And Bunko Squad it is. And Candace goes to the board. Come on. Atta girl. Watch yourself.
Okay. Got the bunk beds over here for bunk, the plus sign and the hole, bunk O. We've got the squaw plus the D for Bunko Squad.
Well done. Did you get it about the same time that Peter figured it out?
I couldn't tell it was bunk beds yet, but after
No?
he figured it out.
After
I had
he
it.
figured it out, the pressure was on and you came through. Peter, 1 strike against you. We'll see you in the next game.
Okay, good luck.
Candace, let's hear about your prizes. You've got some good ones, including a portrait of me.
Designer dresses. Hollywood Nights special occasion dresses that are reminiscent of Hollywood's glamour girls. Sensual sequins, slinky satin, sensational dresses that make you look and feel sensational. Hollywood Nights, furnished by Rome Corporation, and a diamond gold brooch, part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection. This elegant brooch is crafted in 14-karat gold and sparkles with 3 diamonds. It may add dazzle to any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers, and of course the handsome oil portrait. And these prizes are worth $3,545.
That's a good win. You realize, of course, you're not getting the oil portrait of me. You're going to get your own oil portrait.
Can I request the one of you?
I suppose you could. I don't know why, but I'd be willing to pay you if you took it. We'll take a break. We'll come back in a minute. Candace. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and here is the clock with a base time of 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go. You start any time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
7, 4.
No.
3, 4. 8. No, 3, 7. 3, 7.
3, 7 now.
8.
There we go.
9.
No.
10. 11.
No.
5. 10.
Yep.
12. 3. 13. 13.
No.
14. 15.
No.
9. 8.
No.
4. 14. Good practice.
I think Candace might have been just a touch nervous on that, folks. You were calling 2, 3 numbers at a time, but that's all right.
And numbers that I had already called before, too.
That's okay. I do that all the time. And you've got $3,545 in prizes, and you're continuing into our next game, and you're going to face Peter once again when we return after this. Welcome back. The Tonight Show with Johnny Carson is done just across the hall, so I'm going to practice my Karnak routine. The answer is Joshua, Jessica, Jonathan, and Jordan Bell. Peter, what's the question?
What are the names of my 4 grandchildren?
Oh, there we go. All right. Take a look over here, and we will show you one of the prizes in this second game today.
Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this stunning cocktail ring, a beautiful oval sapphire surrounded by 22 sparkling diamonds, may add dazzle to any woman's wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers. Alex.
It is a lovely ring. Let's show our players where they can find it on the board. Number 3, the diamond and sapphire ring. There will be just the one wild card in this game, players. We have a Florida resort vacation, and we have $500 in the cash pot. Candace, you relax for a moment because Peter gets to select first.
Got to try to get even here now. Start again with number 13 in the center, please.
Florida resort vacation.
And let's try number 17 for a match.
Entertainment Center. No match. Candace.
I'd love to go to Florida. Let's go look under number 25 for that trip.
No, washer and dryer.
Okay, let's match the washer and dryer under number 6, please.
No, electric guitar. Peter.
That's what I need, electric guitar. Number 15, please.
You've got a lot of time to practice. China dinnerware.
Try number 21 down the corner, please.
No, red take. Candace.
Okay. Let's look at number 5.
Entertainment
Center. We've seen that maybe under number 5. Let's look for the match under number 23.
No, that's the China dinnerware. We have seen the Entertainment Center.
I believe the Entertainment Center is under number 17, please.
That's where we saw
and
it.
number 5 for the match.
Number 5. That makes it a match, and Peter's on the board. And the board opens up. At least these 2 panels do. Go again.
Number 15, please.
China dinnerware.
And 25 for match. No.
Washer and dryer. No, you missed that one. Candace?
Oh, I should know. Number 24.
No, that's the Florida resort vacation.
Number 3 for the match.
No, diamond and sapphire ring. Peter.
Number 24 for Florida, please.
Right.
And the match in the center at number 13.
Correct.
All right. Select the window.
Open the panels. Select.
Try number 1, please.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. I can use some cash pot for Florida. Number 11 for the match.
Fishing trip for 2. Candace.
My husband would love that fishing trip for 2. Let's look under number 9.
Washer and dryer.
And that was under number 15.
No, China dinnerware. Peter.
Number 25.
Washer
and
and
number
dryer.
9 for the match.
There it is. Candace had uncovered it, I believe, twice previously. It's amazing that...
Helping Peter out here.
All right, let's open it up.
Help me with a puzzle.
Try it again, Peter.
Number 3, please.
Diamond and
Now,
sapphire
we've seen
ring.
that before.
Yeah, we keep going back to that one, too.
Try number 18 for the match.
No, green take. Candace, make a match.
Make a match. I'd love to get on the board. Let's look in the corner, number 21.
Red take.
And we just saw a green take, but that won't help us. How about number 15?
China dinnerware. That one again. Getting tired of that China dinnerware, I want to tell you. Peter?
We haven't seen number 14. Let's try number 14.
There's the cash bar.
And number 1, please, for match.
Right. A little variety, a little money joining the prizes. Open it up for Peter.
Kind of salty, sir.
Select.
Number 7.
Sewing machine.
We haven't seen that. How about number 18? I keep going. Yeah, I keep going to take.
Green take. Candace?
Number 16.
High-tech telescope.
Haven't seen that one yet. Let's look under number 10.
Wild card, so the high-tech telescope will come your way. We'll show you the natural match, number 22. You guys are having trouble getting focused on this particular game.
So.
Let's open the 3 panels for Candace. Select again.
I'd like to open up the puzzle under number 2.
Red take.
And the match for that under number 18?
No, that's the green take. Peter.
Number 21, please, for the take. Red take.
Red take.
And number 2 for a match.
You are correct. Now, she has the telescope.
No, thank you.
No?
I'll pass on a telescope.
Pass on
I'll
telescope.
save it.
Open the doors.
Need some insurance.
Go again.
Number 18.
Green take.
Let's try next door, number 19.
Sewing machine. I was right a few moments ago. This game has no flow.
Number 8?
Whoops.
Oh.
We won't use the red take. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. We're going to start revealing the puzzle. Number 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 11. Candace?
Is it keep on trucking?
Keep on trucking, she says. And Candace is correct and wins her 2nd consecutive game. Poor Peter. Had a lovely Florida vacation up there. It didn't work. Come on, Candace. There you go.
Okay. We have the piano key plus the pawn with the chess game. Key, pawn. And then we have the truck plus the king. Keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking.
As easy as that. And poor Peter wasn't able to come up with a solution fast enough. Sorry, Peter.
Okay.
We've got some prizes for you backstage. Wish it could be more.
Good luck, Candace.
Take care. So long, Pete. All right, Candace. You had something in your prize column, I know. And Gene will tell us what it was.
I had a telescope.
A high-tech telescope. Jason Discoverer Astronomical Refractor Telescope. 454 power with tripod and equatorial mount for easy tracking, furnished by Jason.
Great telescope and a chance for Candace to win a brand new car when we return following this break. And on our last program, she's pointing at everything. Oh. It worked for Suzanne. She won a car. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and I will point at the clock. The clock says 40 seconds. And Candace, good luck. Go.
Thank you. 1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 2,
No.
1, 3,
No.
3, 7,
Yes.
8, 9,
No.
10, 5,
No.
6, 5, 10,
You said 5.
10, 11,
No.
10, 6,
That's it.
11, 12,
No.
14, 5,
No.
2, 1,
No.
4, 14, 15.
Have you noticed, have you picked up on a pattern when
I
you're up
always
here?
start with a pattern and then it just goes out the window.
I think you would help yourself a great deal if you did not call out 2 numbers so quickly together. Take them one at a time, and then you won't get confused, because you're going so fast. You're going faster than your brain. Your brain's trying to catch up.
Faster than that little computer can go.
Yeah, well, obviously. But you've got over $4,000 in prizes, and you're going to compete again. So you're doing well. You'll be here for a while.
I'll come back tomorrow.
Break for us. Dean?
Some of today's participants may receive Get the Most Out of Your Next Party with the revolutionary Konica Confi camera, one of the world's first voice-activated cameras that automatically takes pictures in response to sound, furnished by Konica. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Time song.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.